Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy SHEIN gift card. So first of all, what you have to do is go to a web browser of your choice, and on Google what you have to do is simply search for SHEIN gift card. Now open the first link that will be shown to you. Now what you have to do is choose whatever design that you like and choose the amount. Now what you have to do is type your email address, right, your name and the message. Now what you have to do is tap on this option that is called by placing this order. I agree that I have read and understood the terms and conditions. Now simply tap on this. Now what you have to do is tap on this checkout option that is in black color. Now all you have to do is type your email address, your password, then continue. After that, go to the checkout and you will be able to buy the SHEIN gift card. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.